Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this Nykaa haul which I bought during this hot pink sale. So before showing you all that what I have bought, let's sanitize our hand with this Medicross hand sanitizer. So yeah, this comes in many variants. This is 500. It comes in 100 ml, which I have given to my mom, and it also comes in, I think, in 200 ml also. So yeah, so let's get started. I have sanitized my hand. Now what I will do, I will just show you what I have bought. So what I'm thinking is to show you what I have bought in skincare items, and then I will go to makeup items. So mostly product which I have bought from this sale, mostly I have got skincare item. So I will show you. So yeah, this is the Kama Ayurveda Rose Water Face and Body Mist. This is my favorite product from Kama Ayurveda, and I think this is, I don't remember, this is my third or fourth bottle. No, I think third bottle. Yeah, third bottle. So yeah, you can see it, the packaging, and it also comes in a small variant also, around I don't remember the price, must be under the 300. That small bottle is there. So yeah, after that I bought this Pixi Glow Tonic toner. Like it has glycolic acid which helps in reducing the acne mark or any pigments is there. So it looks like this. Let me show you how does it look. It's very runny, watery kind of. It smells like medicine, but it's good. It's good. I will give you a proper review on this after using for a month. The third item is Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer. This looks like this. It is in like a pink bottle, and the consistency of this is like a gel. This is very a gel kind of, very hydrating moisturizer. This L'Oreal Paris essence. This is Crystal Micro Essence, and it provides smoothing and radiance to your face. So I am using it like from 1 week. I am review about this after like 1 month. Let me try it and how does it work. I will give a proper review on this later on. Favorite part, I bought a lot of sheets from Nykaa. So yeah, this is the face sheet mask. This is like a Korean sheet mask. The first one is avocado morning for a nourishing hydrated skin. This is rose. This is lemon. This is green tea. This is blueberry. Yeah. Go on to the makeup. I do not have a much, but yeah, I'll show you what I have got from Nykaa pink sale. So yeah, I got this set from Too Faced. This is like very, even Malka Sislani, Asna Shroff, many people love it. So I have bought it and I will try it, and I will give also on this a proper review if you want. So yeah, so this is better than Sex mascara. Let me show you the packaging. This is, I think, mini mascara. So if you want to see the wands, just like this. So this is this, and the other thing is which I got is eyeliner, and this eyeliner is very nice because this has very thin tip, so it gives a very nice eyeliner look you can create with this thing. Let me show you how does it look. So yeah, and see the tip of this thing. Let me swatch it for you. See, it's very thin. You can create a very lean and very precisely eyeliner you can draw from this. This I hang over RX primer, Too Faced primer, which I got as a sample. And the two products which I got from K Beauty is this eyeshadow. Both are eyeshadow sticks. One is Temptation and other is Starry Nights. So let me swatch it. Let me swatch it for you. So this is how the packaging look, and this is the pencil, and this is the shade. And the other one is Starry Night. This is the packaging of Starry Nights. It has like it has some. It is in black color, but it has something silvery into it, which like this is I think because of that it has name Starry Night. Can you see? It has some silver particles into it, so it makes it very different, and I think it will give a very nice smoky eye kind of look. And last but not the least, why I'm saying it, Masaba by Nykaa nail remover. Let me show you that how does it work. It has some spongy kind of thing into this, and you need to dip your fingers into this and just roll around it. I don't know what to say. Roll around it, and it will clean your nails. Let me demonstrate this. So now I'm done with my haul, and I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Bye bye.